Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Finesse Avalanche snow foam. And I have to say at the start, it's not only Finesse's IT systems and customer care is rubbish, but it looks like they don't really know much about car detailing either. Because according to the instructions, I'm supposed to fill a 1 liter foam lens bottle with approximately 1 to 2 inches of solution. Now, 2 inches is twice as much as 1. Obviously they mean that most probably for dirtier cars 2 inches, for less dirty 1 inch, but yet there is a massive difference between 1 and 2 inches. And on the top of it, 1 and 2 inches in a normal foam cannon would be anywhere between 200 to 500 milliliters. That's crazy that you buy a half a liter of the solution and you would need to use maybe almost all for one car wash. And on the top of it, not all the foam bottles or foam lens bottles are straight. For example, for the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro, on the bottom it's wider, so there is a difference between 1 to 2 inches in that one. Okay, but enough whining. I put 100 milliliters to 900 milliliters of water in the foam cannon, and let's see how is it. The car is not extremely dirty. There are some bugs at the front and the windscreen, and there is a fine layer of dirt all around the car. Okay, boys and girls, that was the Finesse Avalanche snow foam. It has a very nice citrusy scent, and it nicely removed most of the dirt, even managed to loosen the fresh bug residue or the bugs from the bumper. and yeah, it more or less removed the dirt. However, there is still a fine layer of traffic film on the bottom of the panels, so it would definitely require a contact wash yet. But other than that, I would recommend the product. It's a good shampoo. Anywho, that was it about this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.